Reflection of light. Let us understand the position and type of the image produced by a convex mirror when an object is placed at different distances from it. First, when the position of the object is at infinity, the image formed is virtual and erect. Position of the image is behind the mirror, that is at focus, and size of the image is highly diminished. Second, when the position of the object is between infinity and pole, the image formed is virtual and erect. Position of the image is behind the mirror, that is between pole and the focus. Size of the image is diminished. Uses of spherical mirrors. First, concave mirrors. Concave mirrors are used in torches, searchlights, and headlights of vehicles to get parallel beams of light. They are used as shaving mirrors to see larger image of the face. They are used by the dentist to see larger images of the teeth. They are also used to concentrate sunlight to produce heat in solar furnaces. Convex mirrors. Convex mirrors are used as rear view mirrors in vehicles. They give erect, diminished images of objects. They also have a wider field of view than plane mirrors. New Cartesian sign convention for spherical mirrors. According to the Cartesian sign convention, the pole of the mirror is taken as the origin. The principal axis is taken as the x-axis of the frame of reference. The sign conventions are as follows. First, the object is always placed on the left of the mirror and light from the object falls from the left to the right. Second, all distances parallel to the principal axis are measured from the pole. Third, all distances measured to the right of the pole are taken as positive. Fourth, all distances measured to the left of the pole are taken as negative. Fifth, the height measured upwards perpendicular to the principal axis is taken as positive, and the height measured downwards perpendicular to the principal axis is taken as negative. Mirror formula. We get the correct values of distances by using the Cartesian sign convention. The object distance, that is u, is the distance of the object from the pole, while the image distance, that is v, is the distance of the image from the pole. The relationship between the object distance, image distance, and the focal length, that is f, is called the mirror formula. The mirror formula is expressed as follows. 1 upon v plus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. This formula is valid for all spherical mirrors, for all positions of objects, under all circumstances. Magnification due to spherical mirrors. The magnification due to a spherical mirror is given by the ratio of the height of the image, that is h2, to the height of the object, that is h1. This tells us how large the image is as compared to the object. Therefore, magnification m is equal to height of the image upon height of the object, which is equal to h2 upon h1. From this, It can be shown that m is equal to minus v upon u, that is image distance upon object distance. As the object is always kept above the principal axis, its height is always taken to be positive. For virtual images, the height is positive, while for real images it is negative. As the object is kept on the left of the mirror, its distance, that is u, is always negative. Thank you.